My animal is a blue shark. It is a fish. Its habitat is ocean. It eats sardine, squid, tuna, sardines. It looks like, how long is it? 13 feet. Blue sharks are also called blue dog sharks.
My animal is a giraffe. It is a mammal. It eats leaves and water. Its habitat is a grassy land in Africa. It looks like it has a long neck and it lives to be about 20 years.
My animal is a turtle. It is a reptile. Its habitat is on land and in the water. It eats grass, leaves, plants, and fish, snails, and insects. It looks like it has a hard shell. A turtle's shell is made of about 60 different bones. Some turtles cannot pull their entire body into their shell.
My animal is a wolf. It is a mammal. It eats rabbits and it lives in the woods and forests. Wolves packs, hunt, sleep, and play. I choose this animal because it hunts, howls.
I am a whale. My habitat is in oceans. I eat krill. My tongue is long enough to hold 25 people.
Hello, I'm a wolf, and I'm a mammal. My habitat is a hole, and I live in Asia, North America, and Europe, and I eat deer and moose and rabbits. And I look like a wild dog because I am already. And they howl. A wolf's sense of smell is 100 times better than a human's. Bye.
I'm a dolphin. I am a mammal. I live in the ocean. I eat fish, squid, and shrimp. I can jump 16 feet high and 5 meters high. I use my blowhole to breathe.
I'm a flamingo. I am a bird. I live near lakes and rivers, plants and animals. I look bright pink. Some interesting facts about me: flamingos can fly, and I'm a very good swimmer. I choose this animal because they are bright pink and can fly.
I am a mammal. I'm an Arctic fox. I live near the North Pole. I eat fish and birds. I weigh up to 17 pounds. I am 8 to 27 inches long. And I like the snow, so I can hide it.
I am a jellyfish. I am a fish. My habitat is shallow water. I eat plankton. I look like jelly. Some jellyfish can be larger than a human. Scientists have found about 2,000 different kinds of jellyfish.
Hi, I am a great white shark. I am a fish. I live in the ocean. I look like a great white and a great white shark. I have more than 3,000 teeth. They are so cool.
Hi, I'm a gray fox. I am a mammal. My habitat is North Central South America woods. I eat rodents and I eat insects. I look like a gray fox. Some interesting facts about We are foxes. I am retailed to dogs, and gray foxes are the only kind of foxes that can climb trees.
Hi, I'm a great white shark. I am a fish. My habitat is the ocean. I eat seals, sea lions, and dolphins. I look gray and white. I have more than 3,000 teeth, and I get up to 20 feet long.
Hello, I am a gorilla. I'm a mammal. I live in a rainforest. I love bamboo. I look black, gray, life-size, 6 feet, angry, as you can see. Some interesting facts about me is that I can laugh and smile. It probably doesn't look like it, but well, it's all the time I have today. Guys, some bamboo.
I am an eagle. I am a bird. My habitat is a desert, woodland, and rainforest. I eat fish, rabbits, and squirrels and other small animals. The eagle is a symbol to the United States. It can also be called the bald eagle.
I am a moose. I am a mammal. My habitat is Europe, Asia, North America, wetlands, woodlands, and grasslands. I look like I have antlers. I'm brown, and I have a snout. Some interesting facts about me are moose are the largest members of the deer family. I chose this animal because I like deer, and moose are related to deer.
I'm a wolf. I'm a mammal. I live in a pack, forests, and mountains. I eat elk, rabbits, moose, and deer.
I am an Arctic fox. I am a mammal. Arctic foxes live near the North Pole. I eat fish, birds, and other small animals.